National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, eastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over West Brookfield, or 17 miles west of Worcester, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include quarter-size hail. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Worcester, Holden, Clinton, Spencer, Leicester, Ware, Rutland, Sterling, West Boylston, Westminster, Barry, Warren, Paxton, North Brookfield, Hubbardston, Boylston, West Brookfield, Princeton, Brookfield, and Hardwick. The National Weather Service